Okay, so what I have to demonstrate here is a new fan that just arrived that I installed. It's from Temu. It doesn't even have a brand on it, but I'm sure the light. Sometimes the fan turns on and turn the light on, but there's a light. It has 3 settings, and it can be dimmed. And this button changes the color again. But I kind of like it better on daylight. Alright, now the fan has 3 speeds. He's on low. I added a little pull chain decoration to it. I thought it looked good with that on. It wobbles quite a bit because the socket's a bit, it's not the tight socket, so it wobbles. But it's still a tight socket. It's medium speed. But I can't see the wobble on camera, but I didn't see it in person. It's a bit noisy, but it's got a timer on it too. Right. It's half speed. I don't know when I changed it. I think it did. Yeah, I think it went faster. It's the light on with the fan, soft light, mix, and daylight. Which I like best. Now this button here will turn on the whole thing. Just like that. And thanks for watching. You can get the thing for like $20 off Temu. Thanks for watching.